How to update Rainbow Six mobile game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. To keep your Rainbow Six mobile running smoothly, you'll need to install the latest update whenever Ubisoft releases new patches. So in order to update that, first of all, open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. After you're inside the Play Store homepage, tap on the search bar at the bottom or on the left-hand corner and in the search bar type in Rainbow Six Mobile. Once you find this application from the search results, click on the update button if available. If the update is available, it will be located where the play button should be available. Simply tap on update to download the latest version of the game. You can also enable auto update for the game so that you don't have to manually update the app whenever needed. Go to the top right corner to enable auto update and tap on the three dots. And in the pop-up, make sure that you've checked this enable auto update button. Once you have this button checked, you'll be able to turn on the auto update function. Now, whenever the game releases its update, the update will happen automatically. So that is how you can easily update your Rainbow Six mobile game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.